Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate that so much. Now, what's going on with all these thieves stealing these high performance vehicles? I'm talking about the Dodge Hellcats, the Mustang V8s, like what is going on? Where is the security? How are they able to steal those cars so easily? I'll tell you how. But breaking into the dealerships. And some of them, it's a crazy video. I hope that you saw that in the beginning of the video, which is just absolutely insane that they just backed up, broke into the car, and just pushed it away. That was insane. Crazy. So let's go ahead and cover this article. So here's the article, and also, hold on, let me just mute this. I don't know if this is going or not, but we'll come back to that story as well too. We'll cover that. So 3 Dodge muscle cars worth combined $228,000 stolen from Philadelphia dealerships. How are they able to pull this off? I'll tell you how. They can break into the dealerships, and especially if they have those smart remote fabs. I mean, we've seen that happen where they just put in like a transmitter where they put that close to the building, and they can get the copy because the key is always emitting signals. So if you have, I'm trying to find my keys. I don't even know. Oh, my keys are too far from here. But those smart keys are consistently emitting transmission. Even if it's wherever it is, it's still putting out that signal. So that's why when you come close to your car, the door automatically unlocks. Now, there's different products that you can buy, so your key does not keep putting out that emission, so people can just, get that signal and then have like a receiver, and then they can get access to your car, start it up, and drive away. I've seen many videos of that happening. So the best prevention is either to put your car keys in foil, or you can buy different products that will actually prevent it from emitting that signal and putting that out there. So that's one way of doing it. So the car stolen were an orange 2020 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat worth $77,000, a black 2022 Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body valued at $65,992, 2021 Challenger SRT Hellcat with a tasty set of brass monkey wheels that would have cost an honest Dodge fan $83,991, and that's not including the add-on. But I don't know if they're selling it as brand new or used. That's the thing. I don't know. So total of $228,000. So yeah. So here's the other one, where at least 12 new Ford Mustangs stolen from Flat Rock assembly plant. How? It's got to be an inside job. Literally, look at that. They're just driving away as the alarm goes off. I'm not sure because I don't have the sound on. New Ford trucks. They're just driving away. Wow. It's got to be an inside job. How are they able to just take it and go? 12 to 15 Mustangs were stolen from the lot in Wood Haven across the 2 Flat Rock assembly plant. Police recovered 2 of the Mustang. This is the second time in a week that vehicles were stolen from this lot. So lock it up. Keep those vehicles locked up. We're looking at 5 or 6 vehicles at least, and they were high-priced Wagoneers. Trash. When the guard came out, he started to close the gate. They smashed the gate, and luckily he wasn't seriously injured. 2 of the SUV were recovered, but the suspects got away with the other vehicles. That's insane. How are they able to steal these brand new vehicles? But as I mentioned, or at least unless it's an inside job, I feel like we're gone in 60 seconds, where they just steal your cars so fast. Like, what is going on? Where's Nicolas Cage? I need him to explain these things for me. That car that I showed you in the video early on, it was gone in 60 seconds. 60 seconds! Insane, bro. Insane. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this video and my prevention or ways for you to prevent your vehicle being stolen, or just park that shit in the garage. But if thieves want your vehicles, they will steal your shit. They will take your shit, and I hope they get what they get. I don't give a fuck. You deserve to get what you get. If somebody shoots you and you die, I don't give a fuck. You're a piece of shit. People work hard for their fucking money so they can buy these products. Why don't you do the same instead of stealing other people's property? Fucking A. But anyway, I'll leave the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.